Hi Yusa, this is Ming, and I want to submit my chat that I got for you guys, okay? So here it goes. So we're gonna have one person, it's gonna be the person who's shouting out questions. Everybody's just answering, which is the easy part, okay? Are you ready, Yusa? Yeah! Are you ready, Yusa? Yeah! Who's big and who's strong? We are! Who's loud and proud? We are. We're Sac State, right here. Who are we? Who are we? Who? Yusa. That's it.
Hey guys, so my name's Lindsay, and the cheer that I thought of is kind of similar to a song, and if you know the song, then you'll probably catch more of the vibe and tone that it's supposed to be sung and cheered in. It requires a little bit more of a rowdier crowd, and we can actually do kind of a bounce while we're doing it, so it kind of looks like we're rolling in deep and hopping out like fresh out of the club. So it goes, don't drop that Houston pride. Hey, don't drop that Houston pride. Don't drop that Houston pride. Hey, don't drop that Houston pride. So hopefully you vote for my video. It's really simple, and it'll get everybody in a really loud and cheerful mood. So thanks.
H-U-S-A. We put the Hmong and USA. Houston! 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 Woo!